In just 10 days, India has seen a massive 15-fold increase in active COVID-19 cases. On 22nd May, there were only 257 active infections, and as of today, 2nd June, that number has jumped to 3,961, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So what's behind this surge? Well, health experts say it's due to new, fast-spreading Omicron subvariants, specifically NB1.8.1 and NF.7, which are showing up primarily in southern and western parts of the country. Dr. Rajiv Bal, Director General of the Indian Council of Medical Research, says these variants are not severe, but they are more transmissible.
तो अभी तक जो हमारे जितने भी केस हुए हैं उसमें सिवेरिटी जनरली लो है. जो पुराने ओमिक्रॉन के वेरिएंट थे सर्टेनली उनसे ज़्यादा बिल्कुल नहीं है. तो कम हो सकती है, ज़्यादा नहीं है. तो ये चीज़ हमें कहते हैं कि अभी वरी करने की किसी को इसके लिए ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट शुड बी विजिलेंट? यस. शुड वी बी प्रिपेयर्ड? यस.
States with the highest cases include Kerala with over 1,400 cases, followed by Maharashtra, Delhi and Gujarat. The good news is most cases are mild. People are experiencing symptoms like sore throat, low-grade fever, fatigue and mild stomach issues. Hospitalizations are not significantly increasing. Former WHO Chief Scientist Dr. Soumya Swaminathan says most people now have strong immunity thanks to vaccines and previous infections. So even if someone gets COVID, the symptoms are likely to be manageable, like a short fever, body ache or cough. Testing is still being done with RT-PCR, which remains the gold standard. There are also rapid antigen tests for quicker but less accurate results, multiplex PCR tests that detect COVID along with other respiratory infections. Most RT-PCR tests cost around 500 to 800 rupees, while multiplex tests can cost more. The Health Ministry says there's no need to panic, but hospitals have been told to stay prepared with enough oxygen, ventilators and essential medicines. So far, there are no new guidelines, but people are being strongly urged to stay cautious and follow basic precautions such as wearing masks, maintaining hygiene and social distancing, and completing their vaccination schedules, including booster doses. Doctors are reassuring us the new variants aren't more dangerous, just more contagious. That's why it's spreading fast, not just in India but in other Asian countries as well. So stay informed, stay safe. We've been through this before and we know how to handle it.